Welcome to CarArt, where automotive engineering meets artistry. Today, we're not just reviewing a car. We're stepping into a rolling masterpiece. This is the Mercedes Maybach S 680 V12 Haute Voiture, a symbol of opulence so rare, it feels like it belongs in a private gallery rather than on the open road. Exterior elegance. From the very first glance, the Haute Voiture commands your attention. Its two-tone paintwork is inspired by haute couture fashion, in this case, a shimmering nautical blue over rose gold or crystal white. The deep, lustrous finish catches light like silk under a spotlight. Up front, the Maybach grille stands tall and proud, with vertical chrome slats, a reminder that this is not just any S-Class. The chrome accents flow across the bumper, framing the jewel-like digital light headlamps, each with over 1 million micromirrors projecting razor-sharp beams. Along the sides, the proportions are classic Maybach, elongated for presence, with exclusive monoblock wheels that blend vintage elegance with modern finesse. Every line and curve is deliberate, every detail executed with the precision of a master tailor, and at the rear, the chrome trim, subtle haute voiture badging, and sculpted tail lamps finish the look, like the perfect hem on a couture gown. A cabin like a fashion house, step inside. And the world outside fades away. The Haute Voiture interior is unlike any other Maybach, a bespoke space inspired by the runways of Paris and Milan. The color palette is a dream, soft white, deep navy, and delicate rose gold accents, woven together like the threads of a designer dress. Bouclé fabric, a textile found in high-end fashion houses, covers the seats, door panels, and even the cushions, creating a texture that's warm and inviting. The leather is hand-stitched, the metal trim is brushed to perfection, and the carpets feel like walking on fine cashmere. Subtle ambient lighting offers 64 colors, letting you set the mood from soft champagne glow to deep sapphire blue. Technology blends seamlessly with luxury. The massive OLED central display flows into the 3D digital driver's cockpit, while the MBUX infotainment system responds to voice commands as naturally as conversation. In the rear, true Maybach magic happens. Individual executive seats with full recline, heating, cooling, and massage. Between them, a champagne cooler with silver-plated flutes awaits your celebration. Pull-down folding tables transform the space into a mobile office, or a fine dining table for two. Even the scent is curated, an exclusive haute voiture fragrance developed to match the interior's personality. Performance. The V12 Heart. Under the hood lies the legendary 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12, a masterpiece of engineering producing 621 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. The numbers are impressive. But the way it delivers them is pure Maybach, 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.5 seconds, yet you feel no rush, only a wave of effortless motion. The 9-speed automatic gearbox shifts so smoothly, you might never notice, and with the 4MATIC all-wheel drive, every ounce of power is delivered with grace and control. The Airmatic suspension and e-active body control read the road ahead, adjusting damping in milliseconds, bumps vanish. Corners feel serene. At highway speeds, it's like gliding through the air in first class. This is not about aggressive driving. It's about commanding the road with dignity. Exclusivity Haute Couture influence. The Haute Voiture isn't just rare. It's a limited edition collector's piece. Mercedes Maybach built only a small number, each one individually numbered and accompanied by a custom gift box containing a scale model, key ring, and interior fabric samples. The design team worked alongside Mercedes' fashion division, ensuring the car truly embodies haute couture philosophy: exclusive, made to measure, and timeless, price ownership experience. Owning a haute voiture is about more than transportation, it's about belonging. To a club so small, it barely exists on paper. Prices? Let's just say it comfortably sits above $500,000. And that's before you add bespoke customization. Owners enjoy Maybach concierge services, VIP event invitations, and the kind of personal attention luxury brands reserve for their most elite clientele. Closing thoughts: the Mercedes Maybach S 680 Haute Voiture is not here to compete. It's here to inspire. It's the automotive equivalent of a runway gown, made for those who appreciate the fusion of craftsmanship, performance, and art. In a world obsessed with speed and numbers, the Haute Voiture reminds us that true luxury is about experience, the textures you feel, the silence you hear, and the elegance you carry with you wherever you go. This has been CarArt, where we celebrate the automobile as a work of art. If you enjoyed this journey, stay with us. More masterpieces are on the way.